Hello everyone. Today lesson we are going to be focused on factorization or factorizing. It is as simple as opposite of expanding. So by now you should be able to understand or expand simple brackets and or even double brackets. Some of you will be able to do that. And so if you can see the question over here, that looks like something you will get as a solution of expanding question. We're going to do the opposite of that. So now, you've got 4x plus 12, and we're going to think of a common factor. Common factor is something that you can divide 4 and 12 by just one number. So that one number, you know you're going to think of is 2, because 4 is divided by 2, and 12 is also divided by 2. It is true, but for expanding, you have to think of the highest common factor. So we're going to think of another number that might go into 4 and 12 both. And sometime it might work, sometime it might not. So for this question, 4 goes into 4 and 4 also goes into 12. So the highest common factor, which I've given you over here, these two are both divisible by 4. So you're going to take the 4 outside the brackets, and the rest you write in brackets are the ones that's left over. So if you take 4 outside the brackets for the first term, you are left with x, and you know that 4 times 3 is 12, so you are only writing 3 inside the brackets. So for the factorization question, you can check by expanding back. So 4 times x is 4x plus 4 times 3 is 12. So you should always get the question back if you expand this. So yeah, you will know 100% if you're getting the question answer correct or not. And also, I've used the word divisible, and I've given you what it means. It can be divided without remainders. So you can divide numbers fully. That's what it means. So next example, 3x plus 15. And you think of a number that could divide 3 and 15 both by. And that number is 3. Therefore, you got 3 in brackets x plus 5. And another one, 5y plus 25 is pretty easy and straightforward. You know the highest common factor of 5 and 25 is 5. So 5 is outside the bracket, which is the highest common factor, and y plus 5 inside the brackets. And 6s minus 12. And I've given you a little bit of a variation. I've put a minus sign in there so that you know how to do this kind of question. Highest common factor here, I'll give you a couple of seconds to think about it. So 6 and 18 are both divisible by 2, 3, and 6. But out of those 3 numbers, 6 is the highest number that will go into. Therefore, we will pick 6 to take out of the bracket. So you're going to have 6 in brackets s minus 3. As you can see, because in the question is given to you is minus, therefore in the answer that should also be minus. Next question, 10t minus 30. Again, 10 and 30 are divisible by so many numbers. It's 2, 5, and 10. So, but the highest number is 10. Therefore, highest common factor, is 10. Then we're going to take 10 out of the brackets, and you get 10 t minus 3. And all of these, if you expand these back out, then you should get the question. So you can always check your own answer. Good luck. Have a go at your worksheet.